So let's quickly take a look at what we will be anticipating for the day on our AUDUSD. So if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, make sure you click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your and also click on that bell notification. So first click on the subscribe button, then click on the bell notification. You can go ahead and like so you would not miss out on the next update I'll be dropping for you. Now let's start with our trend on AUDUSD. We can clearly see that this is an uptrend. It is very clear that market is trending to the upside. We are having a series of higher high and higher low. So for quick analysis, right, if this is our high, here is our higher low. This is our higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Markets eventually give us a bullish move and it formed a new higher high. You can see that this new higher high took out this previous high, right? Then here comes the higher low. So if you take a look at this, right? Now, if you zoom it in, you see that market is at a multiple rejection level, a multiple crucial level here. So we had multiple rejection here. We also had multiple rejection here, and then here we had a rejection here. So market is back to this level. So we are now expecting a rejection from this level on our odd USD. So thereby we should be looking for a buy setup once the London section opens or the New York section, anyone. So between London section and New York section, we should be expecting a buy. So basically our next movement on odd USD be a bullish. So we are expecting that buy to come up, at least probably take out this resistance level. So the bullish one is what we should be expecting next on 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 AUD USD. There will be any more changes to this pattern, or if the market will change its direction, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So subscribe so you will not miss out on this.